Velkommen til den næste og sidste film, produceret af den tidligere FDA-inspektør John Lee. Det er film nummer 9, og filmen i dag fokuserer på inspektionsparathed, pre-approval inspections. Og i virkeligheden er det en film, som vi producerede sammen med John tilbage i 2018, da John var i København. Og vi inviterede ham ind i studiet i Industriens Hus i det indre København, og hvor vi talte omkring flere ting, blandt andet inspektionsparathed. Til gengæld så er det den film, som i forhold til de sociale medier har fået allermest omtale og set allerflest gange. Så den film får altså nu en repremiere. Vi krydder den dog lidt i forhold til at også fortælle lidt omkring inspektionsparathed i almindelighed. Hvad er det, man skal være opmærksom på, og hvad er det for nogle programmer, man skal lægge, for at være sikker på, at man er klar til at tage imod inspektionen. Og tingene ændrer sig også i de her tider i forhold til pandemien. Hvis man kigger på det i forhold til film nummer 1, så fokuserede John på, at pandemien har betydet, at FDA har lavet om i forhold til inspektioner i ind- og udland. Og det betyder blandt andet, at inspektioner i udlandet under coronapandemien pt. Er udsat. Men vi forventer nogle nye initiativer i 2021 i forhold til den fortsatte pandemi. Inspektionsparathed i almindelighed betyder jo blandt andet også, om man skal reagere reaktivt i forhold til en inspektion, eller man kan i den anden ende kan forberede sig på inspektionen i forhold til at være meget mere proaktiv og også arbejde med kultur, organisation, systemer og processer. Og det ligger der faktisk et slideshow på efterfølgende, som vi lige deler med jer, som I kan hente ned. Ellers så er det den sidste film, som egentlig er kommet. Tilfældigvis er det initiativ, som vi tog her i sommer, hvor vi under sommeren i forbindelse med pandemien i Europa, i Danmark, og selvfølgelig også det US lockdown, der har været på grund af pandemien, der rakte jeg ud til John for at høre, om han kunne tænke sig at være med til at lave en række film, som fokuserede på FDA enforcement i forhold til den statistik, der ligger på 483 og warning letters for perioden 2019 til 2020, ja, så langt som vi nu kan se ind i 2020. Og det var John med på, og tilfældigvis så udviklede tingene sig til det, vi kan se i dag, altså de her 9 film. Det har været en spændende rejse at være på her igennem de sidste 6 måneder, og vi har fået rigtig mange reaktioner og kommentarer på det, og det takker jeg for, fordi det har givet enormt meget inspiration til, hvordan vi nu skal arbejde videre. Og apropos at arbejde videre, i det nye år vil vi fokusere på 2 store emner, nemlig validering af computersystemer, eller det nye Computer System Assurance-koncept, som er kommet fra FDA, og hvor vi vil fortælle lidt omkring, hvordan skelner man mellem validering og kvalitetssikring af computersystemer, som mere og mere tager omfang. Og så har vi også et fokus på inspektionsparathed, altså hvor vi nu bærer det videre, som I vil se i den her film, vi skal se her med et øjeblik. Det bliver rigtig spændende. I det hele taget så vil jeg sige, at I har mulighed for at følge os på de sociale medier, det vil sige på Vimeo og på YouTube og selvfølgelig også på LinkedIn. Og I er også velkommen til at kigge på vores hjemmeside, hvor vi har en sektion, der hedder Let's Share Knowledge, altså en vidensdeling sektion, hvor der også ligger tilgængelige podcasts, man kan høre, som det nu passer i. Og med det så ønsker jeg et rigtig godt nytår, og jeg glæder mig til at se jer i 2021.
Then we go to preparing yourself for an FDA inspection. So how do you actually see the companies handle the FDA inspection? Do you have any recommendations, any good advices for preparing? What do you see as what do you see as issues when these companies are preparing themselves?
Yeah, what I see, not issues, but it's mostly how to handle an FDA inspection. Now, in the U.S., we have a different strategy because in the U.S., FDA has no time limit. They come in and they can stay as long as they want. So in the U.S., our strategy is to get them out as soon as possible, give them what they ask for as soon as possible, and to get them out. And in the U.S., the way we handle FDA inspection, of course, is that we provide prompt responses, but only prompt responses to what they ask for. Okay? So what I find different when I go to foreign countries, such as Europe and Japan, is that I find that companies tend to give lengthy presentations. Okay? Now, nothing wrong with that if the FDA investigator is willing to tolerate it, because when they come to Europe or Japan, foreign country for inspection, they have a limited time. They cannot stay as long as they like. So they might cut you off on your presentation because they want more time to do the inspection. So we need to respect that. Okay? Another problem I find with these long presentations is that in many cases, the company is actually volunteering a lot of information. Some are useless, okay? Some are quite useful to the investigator. For example, the FDA investigator is not interested in your annual sales. The FDA investigator is not interested in how many plants you have and where they're located. But so this is just information that's not needed. It's just a waste of time. But then on the other hand, I have seen, just for example, I have seen a presentation where they listed all of the equipment that we have in this plant. Now, you have just given the FDA investigator a checklist of equipment that he or she should audit. Okay? Or another example was when the QA person presented his or her department, they listed all of the responsibility, all the function of our QA department. What you have just done is that you have just given the FDA investigator a reminder or checklist to make sure they cover deviation, investigations, product annual review program, complaint handling, and so forth. So these sometimes these presentations could be harmful to a company in that you're actually volunteering or providing information. Now, besides these presentations in the beginning of the inspection, we also have similar problems when individuals are asked to answer a request from the FDA investigator. Many times I find that when I do mock audits, okay, to pretend to be an FDA investigator, we ask for some records or we ask a question and people would come in with the wrong information. That's not what I asked for, but since you brought it in anyway, I am going to review it. Okay? Or sometimes they come in and they feel compelled to explain the whole thing to me before giving me the information that I asked for. And when they feel compelled to explain the whole program and the whole system, again, they are volunteering information. They're giving me an audit checklist. They are giving me hints on what to cover and so forth. So that's a major difference that I see between how we handle FDA inspections in the U.S. versus how foreign companies handle FDA inspections. There has to be a better way for us to be organized and presented. Okay? So, for example, one of the first questions I ask when I audit, let's say, installation qualification is, give me a list of the approved design specifications. That's how we audit. We get a list of your design specification, and then we ask to see, did you confirm this design spec? Show me the data. Did you confirm this design spec? Show me the data. You don't know how many times I ask that basic question, show me a list of your approved design specification, and the companies cannot provide it. It is not on one place. They'll tell me, well, some of it is in the risk assessment, okay, and some of it is in factory acceptance testing, and some of it is in site acceptance testing, and then we have all these documents with these approved design specs sprinkled all over the place. I think that's one reason why it is difficult for these people to present. I feel it is not well organized. Okay? It is not well organized for presentation. It would be nice if we can present and say, okay, investigator, here are the approved design specs, and let me show you. For this design spec, this is how we confirmed it. Here's a protocol, and here are the data, and this is how we wrote the report. Okay? All right, let's try another one. For this design spec, this is the protocol on how we confirmed it. This is the data showing that we have done it, and here's a report confirming the result. So if we can organize it in that way to present, I think it would be much easier, less confusing during an FDA inspection. But luckily for us, we don't see a lot of coverage of equipment qualification by the FDA. I rarely see 483 observations or warning letter citations on equipment qualification. But the example you used, yes, that is an area where I find that we have difficulty organizing for presentation, effective presentation during an FDA inspection.